If Outlook is giving you an error downloading email messages, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick fix that solves the problem in most cases. This is one of those issues that can happen when Outlook loses its connection, gets stuck in offline mode, or simply needs a fresh restart. So before you start worrying about your emails, let's go step by step and get everything working again. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. First, the most basic thing to check is your internet connection. Outlook needs a stable connection to download messages properly, so make sure your Wi-Fi or internet is working as expected. If other apps are loading normally, that's a good sign, but if not, reconnect to your network or try restarting your router. Now, if your internet is fine and Outlook still can't download email messages, the next thing you want to check is whether Outlook is set to work offline. This is a very common reason for download errors, because when offline mode is enabled, Outlook stops syncing new messages properly. To check this, open the Outlook app and look for the gear icon in the top right corner. Click on that settings icon, then select General. Inside the General section, look for the option labeled Offline. This is where Outlook controls whether it works online or offline. Once you're in the offline settings, look closely at the toggle for working offline. If that toggle is turned on, Outlook may not be able to download your email messages. Go ahead and switch it off. After turning it off, give Outlook a moment to reconnect and resync your mailbox. If needed, close Outlook completely and restart the app. Restarting helps refresh the connection and can clear temporary syncing issues that might still be causing the download error. When Outlook opens again, check your inbox and see if the messages begin downloading normally. In many cases, that's all it takes. A simple internet check, turning off offline mode, and restarting Outlook will fix the issue and get your email messages downloading again without any extra steps. If the problem is now resolved, great, you're back up and running. And if you want more simple troubleshooting videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.